In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image in the email body using Gmail. Whether you're emailing friends, colleagues, or clients, adding a personal touch like an image can make your message stand out. So let's dive into the steps and make your emails more visually appealing. To begin, open your Gmail account in your preferred web browser, and once you're logged in, navigate to your inbox. You'll want to start by clicking on the Compose button. It's usually located on the left-hand side of your screen and is quite prominent in the Gmail interface. This will open up a new email window where you can draft your message. With your new message window open, you'll see various icons at the bottom of the email body. Look for the one that resembles a small picture or photo. This is the Insert Photo icon. Clicking this icon will give you options to add an image directly into the body of your email. Once you've clicked the Insert Photo icon, you'll see several tabs or options at the top, such as Photos, Albums, and Upload. Since we're focusing on adding an image from your device, go ahead and click on the Upload tab. This will enable you to select an image file stored on your computer. Now click on the Browse button. This will bring up your File Explorer or Finder depending on whether you are using a Windows computer or a Mac. Browse through your folders until you find the image you wish to include in your email. Once you've located it, click on the image file to select it, then proceed by clicking Open or Choose, depending on your system, to upload the image. When you've selected your image, Gmail will automatically upload it and display it within the body of your email. At this stage, you might want to resize or adjust the image. To do that, simply click on the image in the email body. You'll see handles appear on the corners, which you can drag to adjust the size. You can choose between the default sizes like small, medium, and large, or opt for the original size, depending on how you want your image to be displayed. Making these adjustments ensures the image fits well within your overall email design. After adjusting your image to your satisfaction, proceed to finish composing your message. You might want to add some accompanying text or graphics to enhance your email. Once that's done, don't forget to add recipients and a subject line, then click Send to deliver your visually enriched email, and there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily add images to your Gmail emails, making them more engaging and personalized. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create beautiful image-rich emails.